What you were saying within my speed paint was mostly just taking the colors of paints that I have and using them on my actual painting, because those were the colors I have. They are specifically for this character. But down here at the bottom with the mixture of stuff within the edge, like all around the edge stuff, and what will be placed with chemistry of color on top of the lines, is some of my mixtures. The mixtures I did were mostly with my red and my two blues. The two kind of colors I made were like a mixture of blue and blue-green and purple, which would be this one, to make that nice light blended kind of color with a bit of shading kind of on the bottom and making it a nice little gradient. All I did for that was I mixed up a huge sum of the light blue and the purple in the container, and I added this little guy, but I didn't blend him all the way so that you could still get him like within there. Some of the colors I also made were this. Using this red was I made a darker red color for the shirt, and I mixed it up with my metallic black and my brown, which is in there. And then I also made this, what is actually supposed to be a nice little purple color, and it's the same right there. It's a purple pink color because of the way it mixed. I personally like the way it turned out. I used red, blue, green, and blue. Only a tiny mix of the blue, green, and the blue to give me more pure kind of blue color, because the light blue would be too light to mix, and the dark green blue is more dark green rather than more blue color. I mixed those two to make that. And so some of the ways that paint works is that the three main components in paint is pigment, binder, and solvent. And pigment is the color itself, reflecting or absorbing light to show the specific color. Binders are used to make sure the paint doesn't just wipe straight off a wall or a canvas when it gets wet, and it's used to glue pigment particles together and then glue to the surface it'll be on. Solvent is what makes the paint easy to use so that you can mix the colors and easily pick it up and be able to actually use it. Pigment and binder would make it sticky and hard to work with, so the solvent is here to make it into a thinner liquid that will spread evenly. Water is the best known solvent, and it's widely used in water-based paint like watercolors. I did not use any watercolors. I used purely acrylics. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.